I'll make you famous.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey fellas, I just got back from Walmart doing my grocery haul for trucking this next week, and I wanted to show you what's in my refrigerator. Alright fellas, this is my refrigerator, and I'll show you what I got in here. In the door, I got some butter here. I picked up some eggs. The kind of butter that I use is Kerrygold butter. To me it tastes better, plus it comes from grass-fed cows. I really enjoy it. This right here I've had for about 2-3 months, and what it is bacon grease. Every once in a while I'll cook with that instead of the butter. I got an onion. Oh, and up here I went to Sam's Club and got some already cooked bacon. See? I like that better because it's a lot cheaper than buying jerky. That's what I have in the freezer right now. There's a pork chop, and this is the meat that I got for the week. See? Pork steaks. 4 of them come in a pack, and that'll last me all week. More than a week, really. Also, I picked up some sweet peppers. Turn the bag around. See, there's some orange, red, yellow. Okay. Picked those up from Sam's. And picked up 3 of them. Kielbasa's. See? Picked up 3 of those. And what I'm going to do is take one of these links and cut them up and put them in the pan with some peppers, and I got a bag of broccoli that I also got from Sam's. I went to Sam's first and then went to Walmart, and that's where I got my eggs and my meat from. This right here, that's some cheese sauce. It's has jalapenos in it. It's really good. See the picture of the jalapeno? See? Yep. You get that from Sam's as well. So what I'll do with this meat, right? Okay. What I'll do is probably cook one of them and then take the other 3, come up here to my gallon Ziplocs and put each one in there and stick in the freezer. And so yeah, this is what I'm going to have in my refrigerator probably for, well, at least a week, probably 2 weeks. A lot of this stuff can be used for. Let's see. And my onion. So that's what I'm going to have for the week. Also want to show you what I keep as far as spices go. There's some salt. Got some no salt there. I got some Steak and Shop, you see. I also got 2 cans of these. See, corned beef that I save for if I feel like something different. There's my Slap Yo Mama. Here's my garlic powder. That's my lemon pepper. And I keep at least 4 cans of green beans on the truck. So you got to have some kind of emergency food. You have to. In case you're broke down or something along those lines. Hey fellas, I wanted to show you what I cook with. See, it's a Presto. See, I'll show you. See, it's a Presto electric skillet. What I do is just take this, I stick it in there, and then I turn it to whatever I want. Usually I do it right on 300 because of the meats and everything, and then I turn it down when I do the vegetables after I cook the meat. So that's my grocery haul for this week, for cooking on the truck and into next week with what I have. Alright fellas, you take care. I got things to do.